My name is Tanis Huang. I'm TIEN-I Sales Manager. I would like to give you a 5 minutes introduction about TIEN-I and 5 minutes about our new items. TIEN-I is a leading hand tool maker in Taiwan, Taichung. We made hand tools since 2004, and now we have over 100 employees. We have supplied over 10,000 items to our global clients every week. Our clients include well-known brands in the United States and Germany, from the airplane industry to F1 racing car. You may see our tools over all these places. We also provide the customized hand tools for different kinds of industries, including the energy industry, high-tech machines, and also the electronic vehicles. We focus on the high-quality hand tool. Speaking of quality, how do we maintain the consistent quality? First, all products made in Taiwan. Material we buy from the Chinese steel, the best steel supplier in Taiwan. We keep all the manufacturing process to the final package in Taiwan, Taichung, so that we can keep the clothing looking to ensure the quality consistency. Second, we have earned a different kind of certificates and also provide different kind of the quality report for different purposes. For example, ISO 901 TUV supplier verification, Intertech factory audit, and also we provide loss and reach report and California 65 report. Third, we build the lab with the different kind of the professional test equipment, and we supply the traceable quality report to our customers, such as the torque test machine, hardness test machines, optical projector, and salt spray test machines, and complete gauge over 800 size. Our quality engineer will measure the spec from different kinds of parts and provide the complete report based on the ANSI, TIEN, or ISO standards. So we follow or even exceed the ANSI and the TIEN spec. We apply the standards same as the professional tool brand do. That's the tips how to keep the high quality. Why will you, the brands for the serious tool business, will choose TIEN-I? First, we are the best in terms of the product design because we have a complete product lines. Second, we have the experience to work with the professional tool brands and the national and international retailers. We know what they want and we know how to deliver. Last, our reliability, based on our consistent quality control for years, for decades. The first new product is a low-profile impact socket. It's the shortest impact socket for the confined space. Why would you like to have such a short one? Because the new vehicle have more and more components, and workspace become less and less for technicians to fix it. So how short is our impact socket? Now I prepared the regular impact socket over here, and this is our low profile one, and you can see the difference. I believe you also notice the special part, the hex shrink. This is different from other impact socket. What is this for? With this hex shrink, you can use a wrench or gear wrench to do your job in the confined space. It means less workspace you need. Why would I say less workspace? This is the traditional rectangle with the traditional impact socket, and you can see the difference in terms of the length. See the difference? Even though this is a small, this is designed to work with the impact gun. It meets ANSI standard and even some size exceeds the torque requirement from the ANSI. One more thing, you notice the coloring here. The coloring will help you enhance your brand identity. If you are interested in this low-profile impact socket, please scan this QR code and leave your contact information. Our sales team will contact you in short. The second new item is heavy-duty multiple-use tire valve stand puller and installed. Compared with the traditional valve puller, this new valve stand puller will give you a total upgrade feeling. It comes with the 3 rubbers, the large, the medium, and the small. And this rubber can work with this stand puller like this. So what's this rubber stand for? The big challenge for the technician to change the tire and to quickly change the valve stand without hurting the tire ring. That's a challenge. Especially time is the money, and this can help you. The thicker rubber will help you change the big tire with the big alumni ring. If you have the small tire, you can use the small ring to do so. This whole product is designed for technicians to save time to change the different type of the tires quickly and easily. Let me show you how to do it. If you are interested in this stand puller, the valve stand puller, and you want to know more, please scan the QR code over here, and our sales team will contact you in short. The third new item is new air chisel. We upgrade the traditional air chisel to improve the durability. How to do so? We use the new material, the new design, and we provide over 100 shape selection. When I say over 100 selection, I mean it. There are different types of the shapes and for the different kind of the purpose, like the air chisel fork to separate the ball joint, or like the cut air chisel to cut the ball head and clean the burrs. If you want to know more about a new generation of air chisel and you want to know why it can have more durability, please scan the QR code here. Our sales team will contact you in short. Thank you.